Hey, 3D printing people out there, word of advice. If you do any sort of maintenance on any of these machines, or maybe it's an Ender 3, but any of these machines that you do maintenance on, make sure you log it somewhere. Now, it might be simple. Oh, I changed the nozzle. I know I changed the nozzle last week, or I changed the stepper motor last week, whatever. But certain things you may forget, like on a machine like this has multiple of the same part, or an AMS on a Bambu Lab machine. Like I changed out one of these. I don't know which one I changed out. I just changed out this one, but I also changed out one of these three about 2 months ago. When? Where? Well, yeah, when? Where? Which one? I don't know. So yeah, log it down. Do yourself a favor. But keeping a log like that will help you keep your expenses right, make sure that your machines are kept up to date, and on top of that, it helps you keep track of any problems that you may have. Like if you're changing out the same part over and over again, maybe that's not the issue. Maybe it's something else. So just some food for thought, and yeah, keep a log.